I'm going to have a walk down Coral Bay Strip this morning. Just parked at the car park in front of Paphos restaurant here. It's 10:30 in the morning and it's November the 18th, so let's have a look round, show you guys around Coral Bay Strip. It is a bit, if places aren't doing breakfast, then they're not going to open until later on. And of course some of them have now closed for the winter season. Not everywhere stays open. Real estate agents, obviously properties for sale across the island, boat trips, buggy hire, quads, taxis. Across the road. Buying property is incredibly easy in Cyprus for pretty much anybody. Anyone with any money in their pockets is always welcome. ATMs, cash points, there are always loads available, but you need to be quite careful because some of the ATMs will charge you quite substantially for using them. The best ones to use are the actual banks themselves. So if you can find a machine attached to a bank, generally the charges, if there are any, are reasonable. And sometimes the charges are not the Cypriot bank's fault, it's the originating bank from whichever country your card is issued. It depends on your bank and your bank account. So, got some Renegade Sports Bar and Rio Grande Tex-Mex Grill. Thai restaurant. And I suppose what can be called expat bars. The gift shops are still open. Santa Maria Fish and Chip Shop. Oh. Old Bigsy's deli sandwich shop. Dirty Martini's cocktail and music bar. Chalky's bar is getting open. Again, all these places offering safe pass, COVID secure environments. Othello's, I believe that actually just closed on Wednesday, 2 days ago, closed for the winter season, but there are plenty of other places that are still open. And a lot will remain open throughout the winter. They may limit their hours, open a bit later, close a bit earlier, but in general there will always be somewhere to have a drink, get something to eat, always be several places. Again, street furniture all over the place. Ice cream shops. Japanese menu here on the left. See, but this part of Coral Bay is kind of on a hill, so this is at the top of the hill, and clearly the sea and the beach, and Coral Bay Beach is possibly one of the best beaches in Cyprus. It's a safe, shallow sea and a nice sandy beach. Blazing Saddles pub. If you are staying in Paphos or Paphos, then you can catch the bus that just went past from the harbour in Paphos, and that will bring you to Coral Bay. The bus itself, you can get off at the top here and walk down. You can get off at the bottom, so straight to the beach, or you can stay on the bus until it goes into a terminal. It doesn't go any further. There's a terminus there, and again there's cafes and a lovely beach where the bus actually stops. Coming in a car, just follow the road through. There's car parks all over, further down and at the side of the beach itself. Again, Coral Bay is a little bit raised up, so there is generally a steep incline to get down to the beach itself, but there are steps and there are ramps for wheelchairs and things, and assistance if you generally need it. Again, another ATM. These yellow ones tend to be privately run, and so you get the largest charges for the use of the machine, a few euros, and also maybe not the best exchange rates. A large hotel there, the Crown Horizon, kind of halfway down the hill here. So we've walked down and not very busy, but here we can see the stretched down car park really. There's this kind of rough, horrible car park here, all the upper car parks at the other side of the road, tarmacked. See, there's hotels on this, and really Coral Bay is a double bay, so there's this side of the bay, and in fact around that headland there is another bay, very similar, nice beaches, little cafes and restaurants, big hotels, and that's where the buses stop. So again, if you don't want to walk, even if you're staying in Coral Bay, bus coming now, they're very, very regular. In the summertime they're every few minutes, in the winter they may be every 15-20 minutes. Get the bus there like that lady's doing, jump on the bus up to the top and get off where the bars are, 2 minutes, but it saves you having to climb back up that hill. And believe me, sometimes in the summertime, certainly when it's 40 plus degrees, you know, way over 100 degrees Fahrenheit, the sun is blazing down, everything's red hot. You are grateful to jump on an air-conditioned bus for 2 minutes, and not so grateful if you're going to walk up a big hill. So again, the beach used by everybody, tourists, locals. It's very easy and quick to know when driving whether someone is a local or a tourist. Now, that's nothing to joke about the terrible driving standards here in Cyprus, which they are. But any car with a red number plate is a hire car. Any car with any other colour number plate is a local's car. So you can see here that straight away there's a couple of cars parked, red number plates, they're tourists. Next to it is a car with a white number plate, that's a local that's down here. Lifeguards, warning flags, beach information is available on most beaches in Cyprus. Toilets, showers, generally somewhere there will be a snack bar. Buggy there for disabled people, and again they'll get you down and get you into the sea if that's what you want. So conditions of the water, etc. Okay, so we're going to head back up now. Again, remember, it's late November, people in the sea, people sunbathing. Cyprus. Fabulous. People often spend Christmas Day down on the beach. It's not every year. It can be beautiful, but it could be raining, or it could even be very cold on Christmas Day. To say cold, of course, we don't get frost down here, we don't get snow down here, but they do up in the Troodos Mountains. In fact, they have ski slopes and all sorts up in the mountains. So, as they say, you can have your breakfast, get in the car, drive, have a ski for a few hours, come down and enjoy the beach.